I bought a newspaper this morning.
He picked up a coffee on his way to work. He picked up a coffee on his way to work.
I always make a shopping list before going out. I always make a shopping list before.
Did you find everything okay? Did you find everything okay?
How much are these apples? How much are these apples?
Is this fresh? Is this fresh? Can I get a plastic bag, please? Can I get a plastic bag, please?
I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay.
Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Can I have the receipt, please? Can I have the receipt, please?